Basic life process. Basic life processes means that each and every organisms how to survive their life, and in this video we discuss about the basic life processes. So there are 6 types of the basic life process. First is the metabolism. Metabolism means that the sum of all the processes, chemical process that occur in the body. So sum of all chemical process that occur in the body. So there are 2 phases of metabolism. First is catabolism and another is the anabolism. Catabolism means that throwing down. Catabol. Catabol means throwing down. Ism means condition. Anabol means rising up. Ism means condition. So what is the actual meaning of catabolism, anabolism? Catabolism means breakdown or split up, and anabolism means the formation or build up. So this is the complex compound, and this complex compound break down into the simple compound. So this is the catabolism. Okay, and when the formation of the complex compound with the help of the simple compound, so this is the anabolism, build up. Okay, so complex compound means that, so complex compound break down into the simple compound, this is catabolism, and again the complex compound formations from the simple compound, this is anabolism. Let's take one example. In our day-to-day life we consume meat, milk and pulses. Okay, and these foods contain the rich amount of protein. Okay, this protein is a complex compound. Okay, this protein break down into the amino acid. Amino acid is a simple compound. Okay, so when the protein is break down into amino acids, so this is the catabolism. Okay, and again the body needs protein, so protein formation from the amino acid. Protein is also a complex compound. Okay, so this is the anabolism. This is the anabolism where the amino acid build up or formation of the protein. Okay, so this is metabolism. Next go toward the responsiveness. Responsiveness means that the body's ability first to detect and then to respond whatever change. Body's ability to detect and then to response to change, whatever change. Okay, so change is very important term in responsiveness. Okay, so change in their 2 environment. Okay, first is our internal environment. Internal environment means that the inside your body, and next environment is the external environment. External environment means that outside the body. Okay, outside the body. So how your body respond when the internal environment is changed and when the external environment is changed. Okay, so when the internal environment is changed, body respond through fever, vomiting, headache, inflammation, etc. Okay, etc. Okay. So these problems indicates that these response indicates that your internal environment is changed. Normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, but when the body temperature is goes rising, so that time you are suffering from this fever. Okay, so it means that it indicates that your internal environment is changed. So when your internal environment is changed, body responds like this. Okay, and this change happens, so you go toward the doctor, and then doctor diagnose what is the actual cause of these problems, fever, vomiting, whatever. And then and then to come into to come the body's environment into the normal state, normal conditions from the internal environment which is changed. Okay, with the help of these medicines. Next is, when your external environment is changed, how does your body respond? For example, the person standing on the road and the car is driving on the road. Suddenly the car brakes, suddenly they brake the car, and the person stand the front of this car is turning our head. So this is the response. Response is that turn our head toward the sound of the swelling brakes. Okay, so our head turning your head toward the sound of swelling brakes. So this response. Okay, so this response or respond. Okay, so normal external environment means that your normal environment, car is driving, person is standing, but when they brake the car, the sound of these squealing brakes, so another person detect the car's brake, and then he turning your head. So this is the response, and then move from the one place to another. If the person is not move, not respond, so what happened? Accident that time happened in that situation. Okay, so internal environment and external environment is very important. When this environment is changed, so body respond. When the body is not respond, so there are many problems are faces are face. And then when the internal environment and external environment is changed, so that time your bodies protect our body toward the potential threats when your internal and external environment is changed. Okay, next go toward the movement. Move. Movement means the motion of the whole body, motion of the individual organ, okay, motion of the single cell, and the motion of the tiny structure inside the cell. Okay, so motion of the whole body is, everyone knows, the body and the movement of the body from the one place to the another with the help of this leg. Okay, where any persons move from the one place to another with the help of these legs, your whole body move. Okay, but what is the movement and the motion in the individual organs? So this is the gallbladder. What is this? This is gallbladder. Okay, and gallbladder contain the bile. It contains the bile, and this is small intestine. Okay, when the bile moves from the one place to the another place, means that the move from the gallbladder to the small intestine. Okay, so this is the movement of the individual organ. These individual organ contain some substances, and these move from the one from the this area to the another area, means the movement of the gallbladder from the gallbladder to the small intestine for to the breakdown of the food, to the breakdown of food. Okay, so this is the motion of individual organs. What is the motion of the single cell? Okay, so any part your body, okay, any part your body, and the wound wound or bruises, if any part your bodies is present, so that time to clean and to repair the wound, that time present the WBC cells and come the WBC cell. Okay, so WBC cells is the single cell WBC cells move from the one area to the another area where the wound or the bruises are present. Okay, so these wound to clean, repair. Okay, so movement of the WBC cell. And next is tiny structures. There are the two cells. Okay, cell 1 and cell 2. Cell 1 and cell 2. Okay, so these cells contain the vesicles. These cells contain the vesicle. This is the vesicle. Okay, these vesicles move from the one cells to the another cell. Okay, and these vesicles also move from the one cells to the external environment. Okay. So movement of the tiny structure inside the cell. Inside the cell, the tiny structures is vesicle, and this vesicle move from the one cell to the another cells, and the movement of the vesicles from the one cells to the external environment. Okay. So in the next video, we discuss about the another basic life processes. Thank you so much.